Hey everyone, this is Pritham. In this video, we will see how to on the bonding plane view. Basically, this is our model. This is a 16-story building. So for the bonding plane view, there is a go to options. In options, there is a view. There is an option of the bonding plane, show bonding plane. After you click on that, it is basically nothing but this is currently our 13 story, right? And in the 3D view, that if the bonding plane is not there, let's say of this bonding plane, right? If this bonding plane is not there, and I am working here in the 13th story, and I want to see anything like working which story. I am not able to get it which story here, right? There are many stories right here, right? 16 stories are there. I am not able to see that specifically in which part it is working here, right? So bonding plane is nothing but a useful tool present in the option. Here in the option, go to click on show bonding plane. After that, you can see that currently in the plan view it is the 13th story, and in the 3D view you can see that the boundary is being located in at the beside the 13th story, and where I am pointing out that on this floor, right? This is the this is the grid as the 5 6, and I am pointing here, and I am able to see with the red pointer in the 3D that the where is my cursor basically in the 3D view, right? This is basically used by the professionals. That's it for the today's video. You can use this tool by going into the options. In options, there is option of the show bonding plane. You can click on it, and you can off it, and basically you can on it by going to option and click on show bonding plane, and here the bonding plane will be applied. You can see that if I choose the 9th story, or choose the 5th story, right? Click on it, and you can see that the plane and the arrow pointer has been changed here, right? Like this, the uh, bonding plane view is being seen. That's it for the today's video. See you in the next video.